evening, everyone. Hello, Anne.
Hi.
Thank you for coming tonight. Welcome, everyone, to our bridal event.
Yes, let's go in and meet all the vendors you have tonight.
Yes, welcome in. Here we this is James from PB and DJ.
That's right, PB and DJ events. We do DJ, photo booth, as well as rentals, and we love working with brides to help put together that perfect wedding day. Thank you to Claudia for having us.
Absolutely welcome. I'm going to come over and get my photo taken with you.
Oh yeah,
with all those
looking forward to
accessories.
it.
I love the accessories you've brought.
Yeah.
Come
it's
over
fun.
here. I've got something for you to see. I'd like to introduce you to the lovely Michelle Rodriguez.
Hi, I'm Michelle Rodriguez with Perfect Wedding Guide, and we are the guide for brides to connect brides with our vendors, with wedding professionals. And you can, to register with Perfect Wedding Guide as a bride, you can just text PWG Bride to 31996.
Thank you, Michelle.
We must meet my dear friend Peyton Moore.
Hi,
And she's here with Energy Realty.
I'm a realtor here in the Memorial area, so I'm here as a resource for the community. If there's any way I can help with any property questions or just any questions in general about the area, please feel free to give me a call, 281-352-5271.
And I wanted to introduce you to our manager of our store this evening, Miss Nikki.
Hi, how's everybody doing? I know we're gonna do this another time, so definitely hope to see y'all back out here again. It was so much fun! And the photo booth, the drinks, the snacks,
Absolutely.
Claudia,
The party
and then
continues.
the how-to classes. That's what I loved it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all
Thank you,
enjoy.
Nikki.
I just wanted to introduce you to Houston Wedding Tours Ambassador, if you'd like to introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Dee Ware, and I am the owner of Houston Shopping Tours. We do shopping tours here in the city. We have branched out to the bridal sector, and we are absolutely loving it. Say yes to the dress tours, where you can go and take your family and look for your dress. We do honeymoon tours, so you can go and find that perfect outfit or those perfect outfits for your honeymoon, and your bridal party might even shower you with some of the gifts.
I love it.
We have some special brides and their bridesmaid here. Say hi,
Yes,
guys.
I've got to meet all my new friends. Would you like to
Yes.
introduce yourself?
I'm Christy Garcia.
Christy
Getting married
Garcia.
next month. Some of my bridal
Christy's
party.
bridal party.
Matron
You were going
of
to treat her
honor.
to dinner, I think. Thank you for being with us
you.
tonight. You have had a lovely time.
Thank you.
Yeah, the party's not over. There's more brides coming, but I just wanted just to make sure that, that they're having a good time.
I'm having a wonderful time.
We
Thank you
scanned
so much.
everything.
The whole store. She rocks.
Yes, she does. So make sure you come by Pottery Barn and ask for Claudia to help you with your wedding registry.
Thank you, and you can always ring and make an appointment with me at the store, and then I'm yours when you're here. I'll be taken off the floor to deal exclusively with you. I know your time is valuable, and look forward to meeting you next time. Tool, and then I'll teach you how to cut it.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you the first main style. Top for now. Yeah, so that's the first one. Drop it over. And when the groom receives you, he would just kind of pull it over.
What if I wear it like a cape?
You can.
That would be cool.
One is around, just like that.
I wanted to wear these. This is what I started my outfit today.
I love that. Bring it over.
Oh yeah.
A little bit mid to your bust, but I'm going to do this to your elbow first.
Okay.
Yeah, just pull it out.
You didn't do that.
You just have to like try to reach the top of
There's
mine.
3 different places you can place the veil, which is in crown, the midsection, and then below. If you have a
Like you know you do like
Oh, I seen on the video right there that she has like a low like bun, and she had it underneath.
yeah, that's what it is. And it takes you exactly.
Oh my goodness, I want to get married now.
Third one is just called the drop veil. It's a very simple. You're gonna play around with this. Move it up.
you need to be long.
Down. Yeah. I mean, this is the basic veil fit.
Like I was a DIY bride. I didn't know how to do a veil. But like
Buy lace to add on accessories, and then bead it if you want. Pins are in there so you can temporarily play around with it until you finalize your look, the look that you like. So this is more gathered. He's gonna bring it over. Aww. just there you go. That's good
Perfect,
enough.
yes.
Yay! I love tips, so I gathered some marriage, wedding, and life tips.
My name's Dennis. Maria. We've been married for 6.5 years. And you want a tip on how to stay married? It's love each other more than you love yourself.
Just don't be selfish. That's
Yeah, that's
like the biggest.
My name is Carolyn. I've been married for 25 years, and I guess my marriage tip would be that for everything that my husband does wrong, I try to think of 3 things that I do wrong as well, so then I'm not so hard on him. So, and I never have trouble coming up with 3 things that I do wrong. So.
Oh, that's a great one. That's a very unique one. I've never heard that one before.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
It'll be 12 years, July 22nd. And I would say the best advice is always to believe in compromise. Compromise is the key.
Thank you.
So I'm Cecilia. I have been married for 2 years already, and the thing that sparks our marriage every time is like we have dates either in my house or some other place. Yeah, we cook together and do things like that, simple things. Yeah,
Oh, that's
basically.
sweet. Yeah, thank you.
My marriage tip would be just roll with the punches. Don't pick fights.
She says in marriage?
Yes, absolutely. And actually, that's a good bridal tip and maybe a life in general tip.
Right. That is a good
So much can be thrown your way. A lot of it's not important. Don't sweat the small stuff. It's just small stuff.
Oh my goodness, a tip for life. I would just say be happy every single day. That's probably the hardest thing to do, but I think it's the best thing to master, is to really learn how to be happy every single day.
Hi, my name is Christy Garcia, and I'm getting married July 28th. My engagement was in April, so my number 1 tip is to get a wedding planner. Definitely, if you're having your wedding in 3 months or less, you definitely need some expert help in getting it all accomplished. And it's a huge day, it's a very special occasion, and I put everything in God's hands and in my family and in my friends, and they really come through for me.
I'm Amanda.
I'm Gina.
And we are floral designers. Our company is called Broadway and Bloom.
And a quick tip for you is if you are getting married on the beach or somewhere where there's a lot of humidity, you can get freeze-dried flowers, or you can do preserved flowers, and you get those preserved and then they can last you 1 to 3 years, or you can do the freeze-dried and they will last about 6 months. But then you don't have to worry about them wilting or looking, dingy. You can just throw your petals anywhere and they'll last for a while.
My name's Kimmy. My tip would be to get a planner from the beginning, so you can take a look at the list of dates and really know when you're supposed to do things by. That really helped me out.
My name's Dan. My tip would be to watch the video and practice.
Great tip, Dan. I got this feeling you're going to get it by your wedding date. I had such a great time at the Summer Bridal Event and got to welcome guests alongside of some great wedding vendors. Feel free to contact them so they can help make your special day extraordinary. We ended the evening at the photo booth, so it was a lot of fun. All the vendors here, and James, are you able to jump in with us?
And the pink boa.
This is getting ready for
Hi!
the photo.
Are you just gonna take out a lightsaber? Look how fluorescent it looks on the pin.
Oh my god. Thank you, Claudia, Jennifer, Nikki, and the whole Pottery Barn family for hosting such a lovely evening. You guys are definitely a team with heart. To create a beautiful and comfortable home, make sure you create your wedding registry at Pottery Barn Town Country. Feel free to direct message the vendors on their Instagram page. I also want to take this time and thank my husband, Mr. T, for all the behind-the-scenes help. He made sure everything ran smoothly for me. Thank you for visiting, and I hope you get inspired to create an extraordinary marriage and wedding.